In every relationship, I'm pretty sure there's always somebody who's a morning person while the other person is, I guess you could say, not a morning person. Take a guess who's who in this relationship. Definitely not me. Brad is Bugs Bunny, leaping and bounding out of bed every day. Me, not so much. But once I do get myself in gear and I get myself out of bed, I like to head to my couch, I get cozy, I have my laptop and my phone ready, and I start my day by hydrating with a big glass of water, and I pretty much get cracking. I check my emails, respond to comments on YouTube. Feel free to test me, I promise I will always respond, and pretty much get started with my day. Thank God Brad is usually always the one who's on coffee first thing in the mornings. Bless him, because coffee is the elixir of life. And then Superman pretty much moves right on to unloading the dishwasher. It's his daily routine. Wakes him up, gets his mind prepped. I love it, and I love him. Have a good day. So today is a pretty busy day for Brad and I. I just kind of had my coffee. Still pretty early, and I just wrote my to-do list while I was sitting on the couch, drinking my coffee, kind of waking myself up a bit. So in addition to filming this video you're watching right now, this what I eat in a day video, I'm also going to be filming a really good quinoa recipe. It's like a quinoa salad. I've been working on it for a while, so I feel that I've finally perfected it. So we're going to film that a little later today. But first, before I do that, we need to go to the grocery store. I just need to pick up a few things for this recipe, in addition to what I'm going to be recipe testing later today, which is a zucchini lasagna. Hopefully it's good, because I really want to show you guys how to make it soon. What else do I have to do? After we hit up the grocery store, we're just going to quickly go to StrucTube, because we need to replace our dining room chairs. You probably can't really see them, but they're not comfortable. They're hard and they hurt the butt to sit on, so such an adult thing to do, replacing dining chairs. Yay, adult stuff! And after that, we gotta come home. I wanna quickly work out, and then yeah, I'm gonna jump right into filming stuff. So I needed to make a really quick breakfast this morning that wouldn't take me too much time. So I made one of my new faves lately, which is tofu ricotta and avocado on toast. I love tofu ricotta. It's so delicious, and I've been eating it a lot lately, and it's good for more than just spreading on toast. You can use it in so many other ways, and I've talked about it a lot on the channel. So I love to make this. Anyway, I added just the toppings I happened to have on hand this day, which was some green onion, cherry tomatoes, and some fresh ripe avocado. And of course, I love using my greens that I grow on my iHarvest, so I harvested some arugula, super peppery and spicy when you grow it yourself. It's so good. Anyway, once my toast was done, I just slathered on a lot of tofu ricotta. You can use as much or as little as you like, and I topped it with some avocado. I've been really trying to have more balanced meals, so I've been trying to incorporate carbs, fats, and protein into what I eat lately, because I find that it keeps me fuller for longer, and I just find that I don't get hungry as quick. So yeah, protein, carbs, and fat, and then I added my arugula and a little bit of lemon pepper, and it was just delicious. Excuse my background noise while my iHarvest is running and my husband is doing dishes.
Oink, oink. You want fries with that?
Go in a StrucTube, yeah. Furniture and accessories. Don't hit the curb, don't hit the curb. Yeah. How is it? Picking up our new chairs at the end of July. Yay. Off to get a few groceries. Real Canadian Superstore. Store. Go get some groceries. Okay, let's go back and grocery shopping. We've got a whole drawer full of tofu, mostly extra firm, plant-based cheese, Violife, more tofu because I ran out of room in my drawer. I've got some vegan ham and some tempeh bacon. Those should be good. A whole bunch of soy milk because we go through a lot of soy milk. These are almost empty, so those are the new ones. Got some broccoli using my reusable produce bags, of course. Oh, we also got a big ass daikon radish. I am probably gonna pickle some of this. Oh yes, more zucchinis from my zucchini lasagna this week. Actually, today. I'm gonna be testing this today. Lemons. Keep your citrus in a drawer in your fridge, guys. It'll last way longer. Lychees. Am I pronouncing that right? Lychees or lychees? I've never tried these and I've never ever seen them at our local grocery store before, so I'm super excited to try these. Green onion, mushrooms, running out of space. Gluten-free tortillas. We love these ones by President's Choice. Roma tomatoes. Can't really see them in the bag, but 2 bunches of radishes. Bell peppers, because I'm going to be using these in a recipe that I'm filming today. A fajita inspired recipe. Bananas. Peaches, because it's peach season. Love peaches. This is our first peach purchase of the year. And some strawberries. Love me some strawberries. And a Mayday berry. Special purchase today, some Zevia 0-calorie soda, orange flavored. Not sponsored, but hey Zevia, feel free. Let's talk. I grew up on orange pop, so I'm excited to have 1 or 2 of these over the next few days. Bought 2 of these because they're like $3 for a whole box of these. Love a good deal. We got some Just Egg as well. Our freezer. Yeah, bought this. This was on sale for like $5.50. That was a good deal. Got some more bread. This is a chia bread. Really good. Gluten-free, vegan. Gluten-free bread is so damn expensive. Like, if you share the pain of buying gluten-free bread, let me know in a comment. Why does it have to be so expensive? I'm very hungry. We're both very hungry. So we're just gonna have a really quick snack. I think I'm gonna make just like a medjool date with some sun butter and a pecan. It's so good. It's almost like kind of like a turtle, maybe just without the chocolate. And then we're gonna work out. We haven't done that yet today, and it's already almost 12 o'clock. So. This is one of my all-time favorite snacks. Just split open a few dates, take out the seeds. Oh, weird, this one doesn't have a seed. That's weird. I'm probably gonna have 2, maybe I'll have 3. And then fill it with some sunflower seed butter or peanut butter or whatever is your favorite. Sometimes I put like sea salt on it. It's so good. 1, 2, I'm gonna make this 1. If I'm feeling really fancy and like wanting to make this a dessert or something, I would melt some chocolate and drizzle that over top. But for now, I'm just kind of being lazy and popping in a pecan. The fat in the sunflower seed butter is gonna give me like immediate energy so that I can, you know, have a bit more energy when I'm working out, which will hopefully be within the next like half hour. I got sunflower butter on my shirt. Oh well. Snack time. That'll make me feel better. Do you see this magic? Mmm, yummy. Okay, I decided that I really wanted to try one of these lychees. I really am not sure how to pronounce it, but I saw that you're supposed to like cut them open and then you squeeze out the insides and you just pop them in your mouth. They're kind of squishy. Like, don't know if you can see that, but they're like kind of, actually this one's not as squishy as the other one I have, but they're like so small, itty bitty. I'm gonna try it out and I'm going to record my live reaction video. Oh, it's so juicy. Oh my gosh, it's like juicing everywhere. If you can offer me any tips on what to do with these or some of your favorite recipes or how you like to enjoy these, I'm all for it. Oh my gosh, it's so juicy. Okay, whoa, that's so cool. Ooh, it just squirted. Look at my lens. Okay, smells like sweet and fruity. Yeah, it's like very soft, fleshy. I'm just gonna try this. Whoa. Oh my gosh. That's delicious. I was not expecting that at all. It's kind of like a grape with some sort of like berry or blueberry or something, or kind of citrusy. Man, that is really cool. Trying lychee for the first time. Well, this is definitely not gonna be the last time I buy these. So good. Well, this is so nice. This is like the first week we've been able to sit on our patio and enjoy the weather. We got an umbrella. Show them the umbrella. It's lunchtime and I just finished filming this delicious recipe video. This here, dilly, broccoli, white bean, and quinoa salad. So good, so fresh, so summery. It's got like amazing texture. Smells so good. That dill is like potent. I feel so healthy eating this. It's got quinoa, so it's got the protein. It's got more protein from the white beans, and broccoli, which is so healthy for you. We've got flavorful green onion, crunchy celery, dill, mayo, green relish, so it's a little bit sweet, a little bit tangy from the Dijon mustard. It's so good. I hope I'm selling you on this because I'm gonna be sharing the recipe very soon, probably within the next week or so. So Brad and I are gonna sit out here, enjoy our lunch, and then I got more stuff to work on. Bye. So I'm recipe testing something for dinner tonight. I'm making zucchini lasagna, and I'm not gonna lie, it does not look very pretty. It does not look very pretty at all. But I'm hoping that once I finally make it to the top layer, because this is not the top layer, I actually ran out of slices of zucchini, so I just have another batch in a bowl that are salting right now. I'm just kind of waiting for the water to drain out of them a little bit. Sorry, you guys can't even see me. So I'm a little delayed in getting this on the table. So yeah, just giving you an update on my little lasagna to be. Hey, so it's pretty late. Well, late-ish. It's like 8 p.m. and still haven't eaten dinner because it's still cooking and it's not gonna be ready for at least another like 20-ish minutes. And I'm getting hungry because it's kind of past dinner time, so we're cheating. I made some fries in my air fryer. I know, it's not like the healthiest thing or the healthiest choice I could have made, but honestly, the crunch, I'm just craving fries. Sometimes it's just my go-to for when I'm in a pickle. I need something fast and delicious and satisfying and comfort food. So I made some truffle mayo and I'm just gonna eat these fries as my appetizer and have dinner in a little bit. Gotta do what works, right? Fries! Okay, lasagna's finally ready. Please direct your attention here. This is a zucchini lasagna, so there's no noodles, but I made zucchini noodles instead, and I did layers of tofu ricotta, and I have that recipe right up here. Actually, in a couple videos, I've mentioned this recipe, so check it out here if you want to know how to make it. I honestly didn't really have super high hopes for this lasagna, because I thought it would just kind of be runny and maybe not hold its shape, but so far so good. Take a look here. It smells good. I'm excited. I'm cautiously optimistic, you know? This is why we recipe test, folks. You just never know what's gonna happen. You just never know. Okay. Let us try this. That's good. It's salty. I think it's because I salted my zucchinis to draw out the moisture. Maybe I should have rinsed them after I salted them instead of just patting them dry. Other than it being a little bit too salty, it's actually not as runny as I thought it would be. Probably because I salted my zucchinis, but yeah, I was still a bit worried that this would be like just like way too over mushy, but the zucchini is still like somehow holding its shape. So I think this has potential, and maybe you guys will be seeing this recipe on the channel very soon. Too hot. It is 8:30 p.m. We just finished our lasagna dinner. It is time to wrap it up for the night, so yeah, get a good shot of that empty plate. Ah, yeah. So we're gonna go watch the Arnold Schwarzenegger documentary on Netflix. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure you like this video and subscribe below so that I'll be back on your screen in a future video. Hasta la vista, babies.